Python, fetch first 10 results from a list. Is there a way we can fetch first 10 results from a list? Something like this maybe.
We'll give you the first 10 elements of this list using slicing. However, note, it's best not to use list as a variable identifier as it's already used by Python, list. To find out more about this type of operation, you might find this tutorial on list helpful in this link, Understanding Slicing.
Check this. Outputs.
The Tools module has lots of great stuff in it. So if a standard slice, as used by Levon, does not do what you want, then try the isList function.
Use the slicing operator.
E que like 这些我可以发起到subscribe。